Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going bald. I don't know why I'm putting this into the public eye because I look like a big egg when I'm bald. I decided to do my makeup, like my base makeup, because I was still broke and did it out. Sadly, I have no coffee left. If you don't know who I am, what's up? My name is Eva. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I just upload videos. Hi. Subscribe to my channel. All the stuff is down below and all these links around my face. You should, links, like all these tags and stuff. You should follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I have 2 Instagram accounts. One's personal, one's makeup. I don't know why I did that to myself. Guess who's back? Back again. Dom is back with the head. Basically, this is how I'm going bald. Sorry to clickbait, but yeah, I'm gonna put this on. I had this on my last video where I said I look like Dom. I'm probably gonna look like Dom again. I'm literally gonna look like a big fat egg. Basically, guys, if you want a tutorial on how to put on a bald cap, what you will need is a comb, a hairspray, some hairspray, and some scissors. So what you're gonna want to do is like hairspray a lot of your hair. This hairspray is gonna go everywhere. Oh my god. Whew. Basically, once you hairspray all of your hair, just comb back your hair. Guys, I'm done. See it. Peace out. I already look like an egg, so I don't know why I'm doing this. This bald cap smells like why am I doing this? So guys, I put some Vaseline on my my sides because I'm gonna be gluing it down and I don't want to go more bald than I am. Bitch, I really did cut too much off. Oh well. So we're now gonna stick like these sides together, and this is the glue I'm using, by the way. There you go, guys. Just in case you guys decide to do this, tag me. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. This is like really pushing my skin up, so I'm getting free Botox. The only downside of this is I like really messed up on the sides over here. I cut off too much, but it's okay. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm gonna apply foundation now, and I'm going to blend it up to my bald hair. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't get this anywhere except for, oh shit, on the wall. Oh, I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna go do this off camera because I got some on the wall. I'm gonna get in trouble. But I'm not there, so I'm gonna do this somewhere else. Oh. I actually think I look pretty decent. Yeah. By the way, guys, I got like the thingy off my wall so my mom won't kill me. Anyway, guys, this is a finished look. Like I'm like low-key loving this, by the way. Like, whoa, y'all. I feel like I actually wanna, like, I think I don't look that bad. Like, is that bad to think? Like, I'd totally kill this. Except for the sides, which we will ignore. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you know that this video was only for fun. SFX is one of my favorite things to do, and bald caps is one of them. So this was just for fun and a bit of clickbait, and that's all. This was really fun, like literally. I should do like the peanut butter baby, like. Anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel to see more videos from you're truly me. Hi. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sub, like, whatever, comment, I don't care. Skadoodles. I'll see you guys in my next video.